Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice recipe at home full guide. Rinse 1 cup of rice until water runs clear, then combine with 5 cups water and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring to a gentle boil, reduce heat to low, cover tightly, and simmer for about 18 minutes until tender. Let rest covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork and serve warm with your favorite toppings. Try simple flavor upgrades that keep prep quick and cozy. Toasting rice in a little oil adds a warm, nutty note and improves texture. Cooking rice in broth rather than water gives a richer, fuller base for meals without extra steps. Finish with chopped herbs, citrus zest, or a dab of butter after resting to lift flavors, and make plain rice feel special and inviting every time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple cooking guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup a breeze and keeps counters clear for meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can save time and keep your space tidy. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Small habits make a big difference when cooking rice at home. Lifting the lid releases steam and changes the cooking process, so keep it closed until the rest period. Resting for 5 minutes after cooking lets grains finish steaming and firms texture without additional heat. Measure water carefully for your rice type to avoid mushy results, and use a fork to gently fluff rather than stirring vigorously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.